Hi, it's Julie. Welcome to my channel. I am Scrap and Happy. I have my new design team project to show you, and I'm so excited. I know I say this every time, but I absolutely love this. Purple's my favorite color, and the kit I'm using in here is called Pretty in Purple. I mean, my mouse is purple. My pen is purple. I just love it. The digital kit is from Nevermore Creations 17 on Etsy. And these are not in the kit, but these little journaling tags are from Nevermore Creations 17 as well. It's just like a whole slew of purple flowers. And they come like 9 or maybe 12 to a page, probably 12 to a page. And you just cut them out and do what you will. So the majority of the things in this are from Nevermore Creations. If it's not, I will show you. But it's just a cardstock cover, so it's soft and you know, it's easy to carry around. It's got Tyvek on the spine, of course. Fabric cover outside and fabric cover inside. This is pretty sturdy and purple. Okay, here we go. I also went to Joann's yesterday, and went crazy with purple trim and all kinds of. I love it. I just do. Anyway, so I also have the backs of the pages are. This is coffee dyed paper that I then scanned into the computer. So it's got the look, but not the crunch. So some people don't like that, but that's okay. It's just really easy, and I never run out that way. This is stationery. It's real pretty, kind of impressionistic type of purples. That I just put on a card. These little cards came in the kit, and a page of these and a page of tags came in the kit. Got some book paper and some drawing paper. And look, isn't that pretty? Told you I went crazy at Joann's yesterday. This page, I have 2 pages in here that came from Digital Curio. This is actually from their Halloween collection. It's got lace and purple. So, of course, I needed it in here. Pretty pink guest check. And then, I love this. You can write in there or whatever. And I left a lot of journaling space and or places to add your own stuff. These came from the purple flower kit from Lindsay also. I finally learned how to do these little ruffles. I absolutely love them. They're just so cute. This is a card that came. This is the size of the cards that came in the kit. I want to say there was 9 on the page, maybe 12. I can't remember. An envelope that's got fabric on the back, and inside it's got some more of the tags that came in the kit. This is just a sticker that has some little lace and a postage stamp. Another guest check. This is also the Digital Curio paper. Isn't that pretty? Purple with the black lace on it. More of the little purple journaling cards. I had backed them with real coffee dye paper, and excuse me, I'm so sorry. Stitched around. I love this page. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm out of frame. I love this page. I don't know. It's just pretty. Very calming to me. Amity Bloom. This is a page out of a cross-stitch book. tag that I covered with the fabric from that I used on the cover. This tag, I'm not sure, I can't remember where I got it, but it was a digital as well. Oh, I forgot to show you the pretty little beads in the middle. Purples. I'm not sure if you can tell, but there's purples and greens. Just an index card. It's got lightly sprayed purples on it. This is the back side of the envelope, and it's got a little side pocket with one of the tags, and then one of the either journaling cards or pockets. More fabric. Can you stand it? This is so pretty. It's just so pretty. I'm going to have to make myself one of these with this kit. And right down here, I don't know if you can tell, it's just a piece of the fabric that I'm using to make the ruffles. But it looks so pretty there. So perfect. This is, if you can see the holes, it's one of the, out of a little planner that I thought was so pretty. Just glued it to this little page here. Left a pocket. And then the last page. This is like a chipboard. I got it. It's a Hot Buy brand or whatever that is. Little card. And the little pocket here. It's got a couple of things in it, which I thought were sweet. And it's just got transparent gold ribbon around. And these are little pockets. And I don't know what we would put in there. It's really tiny, but I did leave them open on top in case we wanted to put something in there. Anyway, that is it. She's got after this kit, there's 2 more new ones. You really need to go over. I'll put her shop up in the description. You really need to go take a look. Gorgeous stuff, and always, I love her stuff. So anyway, I wanted to show you real quick, and I thank you for your time, and hope you have a great day. Thank you.